VMware by Broadcom, episode 32. Today we wanted to cover license management for service providers. So if you are not a service provider, you might want to just swipe over because this video is of no relevance for you. In the service provider space, in the past, it was always so that service providers could get licenses via the aggregator directly from VMware. That's going to change for everybody who is not going to be lucky enough to be in the tier 1 and 2. Those who are in tier 1 and 2 should actually be perfectly fine because they can still get licenses and everything else direct. Why is this becoming important? As we heard already in Barcelona at VMware Explore, Broadcom is also planning bring your own license and everything else. That will add a lot more complexity into license consumption at the service providers and will raise the demands for license audits and other things in the future. The most important part out of that is that most likely the larger service providers are then going to be enforced to do the audits by the smaller ones, which they resell the licenses. So if in a few weeks' time you have to pick and choose which service provider you are going to go with when you pick your white label program, think about the longer term future is who is going to audit you, who is going to review your licenses, and who is going to talk to your end customers about license consumption and stuff like that from that perspective. Looking forward to hear from you in the comments what you think about all of these changes. Are you expecting similar things, or is it going to be of no matter for you anyway because you will be in the top 2 tiers? Let me know in the comments, ping us if you have any questions around service provider programs or anything else VMware by Broadcom at the moment. We are here to help and stay tuned for any of our next episodes moving forward.